Hello everyone. In this video you are going to see the concept that is directly coupling and cascaded differential amplifier. In this, the internal block of operational amplifier consists of 4 blocks. First block is input stage, second one intermediate stage, third one level shifter stage, and fourth one is output stage. The concept the directly coupling and cascaded differential amplifier is used in between the first 2 blocks of your operational amplifier. So if you observe the input stage and the intermediate stage, if you consider this input stage is having two inputs, signal 1 and signal 2, and these two inputs are given to non-inverting terminal of op amp and inverting terminal of op amp. So we have to use the circuit in the input stage in such a way that it has to provide the following parameters, that is it has to contain high input impedance, high gain and low output impedance. So these three characteristics are provided by the differential amplifier. That's why we are using the input stage differential amplifier with the configuration that is dual input balanced output differential amplifier. Dual input in the sense it is having two inputs, and balanced output means at the output of input stage we are considering two outputs. Since the op amp has a very high gain, that much of gain is not provided by the single input stage. So in order to provide the additional gain, we are using intermediate stage. In this intermediate stage, again we are using a differential amplifier, but here the configuration we are using is dual input unbalanced output differential amplifier. Means at the intermediate stage we are using we are considering two inputs and one output. If we are considering one output at the intermediate stage, we are calling it as unbalanced output. Since these two amplifiers are connected in series, means the output of first differential amplifier is given as input to the second differential amplifier, nothing but the first differential amplifier drives the second differential amplifier. This series connection is called as cascading. Means the input stage and intermediate stage are directly connected through wires, that is called directly coupled. Without using a internal block capacitor, these two are directly connected through wires. It is called directly coupled. So finally we are calling it as a directly coupled and cascaded differential amplifier. Directly coupling means without using any external coupler circuit, these two stages are directly connected through wires, and cascaded means these two are connected in series. Okay. If you observe how the internal circuit of first two stages, if you see, this is the internal circuit of first two stages. So the input stage is nothing but one differential amplifier. Okay, this is one differential amplifier. It is having two inputs. One is non-inverting input and other one is inverting input. And here we are obtaining two outputs. So output 1 and output 2. So here at the input stage, the transistors Q1 and Q2 are matched transistors. Here the resistance Re will drive the current of value 2IE. In the intermediate stage, so the second stage is intermediate stage. If you observe, this intermediate stage is again having two inputs, but here only one output is considered. And here the transistors Q3 and Q4 are matched transistors, but the intermediate stage uses a pair of swamping resistors, that is Re dash. These resistors are used in order to reduce the bias current. Finally, the single-ended output is taken from this second stage. So this is stage 1 and this is stage 2. So out of this, finally the single-ended output is obtained at the output of intermediate stage. Thank you.